minus 15 right now. Bit of a cold night. Woo!
See the part I hate?
One of the issues with bale grazing, and this is near the end, this is almost at the end of the bale, and they need to clean it up another 2 days, but it snowed and it blowed, so it buries it. And out there, that pile out there, that's another bale that isn't quite finished yet. So I've got to dig a little bit out so the ewes realize there's still some hay here. It's minus 15 right now. Bit of a cold night, but it's not going to stay this way. You might think, well, why can't the sheep dig it out? Well, they're lazy. If they come out, they'll realize it's here. If they feel comfortable, it's just a bit, maybe just a bit cold for them right now. So that's what I'm going to do now. Forest. Gonna do some cleansy. Aren't ya? Yes. Hi, gorgeous. Hello. Let's do evening chores. Okay.
It takes, I don't know, I think it's about -4, so it shouldn't need that much, but give it an hour or so. It's quite windy. This is the part I hate. I often end up with diesel on you. So that's that. I'm going to come back in an hour or two when it's warmed up.
What do you think, Boots? Is it going to start? I think so, Mum. All our animals are babies. Very nice. Oh boy. Woo.
So this is the part of the video that we accidentally filmed in time lapse. So it's not too long, but yeah, so here's the tractor tentatively going into snow that we're not quite sure how deep it is. So it's not too deep right there. So just going forward slowly to make sure we don't get stuck in a hole or anything. trying to decide on the spot to put it. It looks like quite a good spot about there. So I decide to, because the bale, we picked the bale up from the bale yard area, and it's got snow on it, so I decide to drop it, raise it up like this, and then drop it to just to shake off the snow, and that works quite good. It snows fairly deep. It's like about 6-8 inches. No problem for that tractor, 4-wheel drive and all that. So there it goes, off it goes.
Well, that's the end of this video for this week. Thank you so much for joining us on our sheep and farming adventures. See you next time.